This is one plant that I had seen in my childhood and all, and it's there in the garden trade. And in the old-fashioned houses, they used to climb it onto the veranda and on and allow it to hang downwards like this. ಇದೊಂದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. And it has a peculiar feature, that is, it climbs on top of the tree and then starts sending downwards those branches. And here some 100 of those branches are there. And this is a stream bed. So it occurs, I don't know whether it's invasive or not, but it occurs in this kind of place on its own and thriving nicely. And wherever it touches the water, it is rooting. So it's easy to propagate from cuttings, and it hangs downwards, and roots are coming everywhere. If there's enough moisture, straight away it starts rooting. But flowers I couldn't see, and also I couldn't get the identity of this plant. If anyone knows, they can write underneath. This must be the main stem that goes up.